Hey guys, I'm Shannon the Garden Girl from Georgina Garden Center. As promised, I am going to give you an update on my orchid that I replanted in the clay pebbles. It was in a bark mix, as a lot of orchids are, but I wanted to try these new, it was new to me, it's been on the market for a while, but clay pebbles, and I've had pretty good success, I think, with it. I'll show you. So, as you saw from the previous video, I keep it in this pot. This is the plant here. So I planted it, took all the mulch off, put it in pellets. They're clay pellets. As you can see, there's a new root in there. And I have 8 new roots coming. So there's a little one there, 2, 3. On the other side here, I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So very happy. Plant's happy too. I have a new leaf. This leaf is new since I've put it in the clay, and it flowered. So when I did the original video, this was here with this spent stem, and I had mentioned that I thought possibly another stem would come out. And it did. So this one came out, and now it is in bloom. I have 3 beautiful blooms. And this was a hand-me-down orchid. I was gifted it. It was from my sister. She had it, but couldn't get it to rebloom, so she gave it to me to rebloom. But it's just absolutely gorgeous, and I think it's clearly very happy in its new planting medium. I don't want to say soil because it's definitely not, but these clay pebbles, and I would definitely use them again. I will plant my other little orchid. As you saw in my other video, I did have another little tiny orchid. It's a mini orchid, and I will do a video when I finally repot it. It's in bloom right now, so I don't want to disturb it, but when it's done blooming, I will repot it as well in the clay pebbles, and I'll do a video on that too, just to show you guys. But I'm very happy with this. 3 new blooms, new leaf, and 8 new very happy roots. So we do have the clay pebbles. I am going to try and use it as well. I'm going to mix it in with soil just to add more airspace in the soil. And I'm going to plant my lemon and my lime bush / tree in them, and I'll do a video for that too. This is going to be a definite experiment as well, because I don't know if that will work, but why not try? If they're happy, that's great. If not, I'll just redo it and put them in regular potting soil. But I think the tropical should be good in them. But anyways, stay tuned for that video. Oh, before I finish, the video that I did do on the orchid originally, I filmed in March. And I'm just doing this one now in July. So from March to July, I got the 8 new roots, the new leaf, and the new shoot with the 3 blooms on it. So it didn't take a long time. But I thought that was pretty good. I didn't know if it would do anything after repotting it in the clay. I didn't know if I'd disturb it too much to kind of offset its bloom time, but it seemed to be pretty good. So stay tuned for the next one. See you guys.